Professional nature experts explain how to turn a sudden storm into a plan using a layered shelter, dry tinder, and risk assessment. In a cliffside scenario, they demonstrate improvised shelters using a trekking pole framework and a tarp secured with bootlaces and rocks. They reveal real-world tricks for signaling for help when visibility collapses and how to conserve energy by packing movements. Next, the experts test water collection from dripping rock ledges and show safe purification methods with minimal equipment. Finally, the episode distills a 7-step mindset: assess danger, prioritize shelter, secure heat, manage fuel, and practice drills.